Q5404. The station originating the following METAR observation has a field elevation of 3,500 feet MSL. If the sky cover is one continuous layer, what is the thickness of the cloud layer? Top of Overcast reported at 7,500 feet MSL. METAR KHOB 151-250Z 17006 KT 4SM OVC 005 1311 A 2998 A 2,500 feet B 3,500 feet C 4,000 feet. The correct answer is B. The ceiling is 500 feet, according to KHOB OVC 005. This indicates that the overcast layer's base is 4,000 feet high, 3,500 MSL plus 500 feet AGL. The overcast peak was estimated to be 7,500 feet MSL. The overcast layer is therefore 3,500 feet thick, 7,500 to 4,000. 5988. Given the following METAR, what is the maximum altitude to maintain VFR below the ceiling in Class E airspace below 10,000 feet MSL? METAR KHOB 151-2502 17006 KT4 SM BKNO 25 OVCO 413111 A 2998 A 2,000 feet AGL B 3,500 feet AGL C 3,900 feet AGL. The correct answer is B. According to KHOB, there are two shattered ceilings, one at 2,500 feet, BKN 025, and one at 4,000 feet, OVC 040. The pilot must keep a gap of 500 feet below and 1,000 feet above the clouds when flying VFR in Class E airspace below 10,000 feet. In this case, 3,500 feet AGL is the highest height needed to retain VFR. 5407. To best determine observed weather conditions between weather reporting stations, the pilot should refer to A. Pilot reports B. Area forecasts C. Prognostic charts. The correct answer is A. Pilot reports, PIREPs, are submitted by pilots in flight and provide real-time information about weather conditions. PIREPs can include information about cloud cover, visibility, precipitation, turbulence, and other weather hazards. Area forecasts, FA, are weather forecasts that cover a large area, such as a flight information region, FIR. FAs provide general information about the expected weather conditions, but they do not provide the same level of detail as PIREPs. Prognostic charts are weather charts that show the expected weather conditions over time. Prognostic charts can be used to plan a flight, but they do not provide real-time information about the current weather conditions. Therefore, the best way for a pilot to determine observed weather conditions between weather reporting stations is to refer to pilot reports. 5444. A pilot reporting turbulence that momentarily causes slight, erratic changes in altitude and/or attitude should report it as A. Light chop B. Light turbulence C. Moderate turbulence. The correct answer is B. Light turbulence is described as turbulence that briefly produces minimal, unpredictable variations in altitude and/or attitude, pitch, roll, and yaw. 5445. When turbulence causes changes in altitude and/or attitude, but aircraft control remains positive, that should be reported as A. Light B. Severe C. Moderate. The correct answer is C. Moderate turbulence is a type of turbulence that is characterized by moderate changes in altitude and/or attitude. It is caused by strong winds, weather fronts, or other factors. Moderate turbulence can be uncomfortable for passengers and can cause minor damage to aircraft. Here are some of the symptoms of moderate turbulence. Moderate changes in altitude and/or attitude. Moderate strain against seat belts. Unsecured objects may be displaced. Food service may be interrupted. Difficulty walking without being thrown off balance.